Hi, good evening. Thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Namaskaram, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. Hi, good evening, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. We'll wait for a couple of more seconds and then get on with the show. Please stay tuned. Hi, thanks for joining. Hi, good evening, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. All right, so we'll start the show with sari number 1, priced at 2280, 2280. So this is a nice Kora cotton silk sari. This is a beautiful lavender lavender shade and black combination. The full body has thread woven motifs. That's the pallu with gold zari weaving on the pallu and the borders, and a plain black color blouse. That's the blouse. Sari number 1, priced at 2280. 2280, sari number 1. Moving on to sari number 2, priced at 2290. This is also a nice Kora cotton silk sari. So this is a combination of green and sort of a nice maroonish brown. It's a very unique color combination. This is priced at 2290, sari number 2. The full body has thread woven motif. The borders are gold zari borders. The pallu is also gold zari. And a plain brown blouse with borders, chocolate brown blouse with borders. Alright, sari number 2, priced at 2290. 2290, sari number 2. Yeah, that's sari number 2 for you. Moving on to sari number 3, priced at 2290. So this is, 2280. 2280, sari number 3. This is a lovely mustard and black combination. This is also a Kora cotton silk sari. So the full body has thread woven motifs on it on mustard base. It's a very nice color combination. The borders are gold zari borders on black base. That's the pallu with gold zari weaving on black base. And a plain black colored blouse. Yeah, that's the blouse with borders. Sari number 3, priced at 2280. Moving on to sari number 4, priced at 1790. This is a semi patola cotton silk sari, basically a polymix cotton silk sari. So the full body has a big triangular print on it. The borders are gold zari borders. Yeah, that's the pallu with patola printed pattern pallu on a very beautiful blue base, a sky blue goldish base, and a plain blouse. Yeah, that's the blouse with borders. Sari number 4, priced at 1790. Moving on to sari number 5, priced at 1790. This is also a semi patola sari. So the full body has big triangular motifs, printed motifs. The borders have semi patola printed patterns on them with gold zari borders on both the sides. Yeah, that's how the full sari looks. Yeah, that's the full sari, full body with the borders, a mustardy border with gold zari weaving on it. That's the pallu, mustard base pallu with semi patola printed patterns on it. Yeah, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse with borders. That's the blouse. Sari number 5, priced at 1790. 1790. Moving on to sari number 6. This is a semi upada cotton silk sari. The full body has a very nice greenish, olive greenish tone to it. The full body has sort of a nice pattern on it. The borders are gold zari borders on green base. That's the pallu, a green base pallu with printed patterns on it, and that's the blouse, apple green colored plain blouse with borders. Sari number 6, priced at 2990. 2990. Sari number 7, priced at 2,990. This is also a semi-upada cotton silk sari. This is a nice combination of orange and green. So the full body has printed patterns on it. The borders are gold zari borders, thin borders. That's the pallu. A nice printed pattern on the full pallu on green base. And that's how the pallu looks. And a plain green color blouse with borders, gold zari borders. Alright, this is sari number 7, priced at 2,990, 2,990, sari number 7. Moving on to sari number 8, priced at 2,990. This is a very different color tone. This is a lovely grey and green color combination. Sari number 8, priced at 2,990. So the full body has a nice printed pattern on it in a very abstract design. That's the pallu, a green base pallu with printed patterns on the full pallu. The borders are gold zari borders on both the sides of the sari. And a plain green color blouse with borders. That's the blouse. Sari number 8, priced at 2,990. Moving on to sari number 9, priced at 3,290. This is a lovely Murshidabad batik silk sari. The full body has a nice purple and sort of a blackish tone. Yeah, the full body has batik work on it. The borders have floral batik work on it. That's the pallu. The bottom borders design is also repeated on the pallu on a sort of a brownish black base, and that's the blouse, a plain blouse. Sari number 9, priced at 3,290, 3,290, sari number 9. Alright, we're moving on to sari number 10, priced at 3,290, 3,290, sari number 10. By the way, people who are looking to buy these saris, a link will be posted in the comment section for your reference. But please click on that link after the session is over. You can also alternatively log on to our website, shroveseternity.com. There will be a separate menu called Live Saris. Click on it, underneath which you will find another menu called Sunday Live, which will have all the saris that we are showing in the live today. So this is sari number 10, priced at 3,290. This is a lovely color combination. It's a nice mustardy and brown combination. So the full body has batik patterns on it. The borders are also floral batik patterns on it. So that's the pallu. The bottom borders design is also on the pallu. And a plain blouse. Yeah, that's the blouse. Alright, this is sari number 10, priced at 3,290, 3,290, sari number 10. Moving on to sari number 11, priced at 3,290. This is also another color combination. A beautiful blue and black. Very elegant color tone. So the full body has batik patterns on it. The borders have floral batik work on it on both the sides of the border. Yeah, the bottom border also has big black base, but it has a nice huge floral batik printed work. That's the pallu. The bottom borders design is also on the pallu. Yeah, that's the full pallu, and a plain black blouse. Sari number 11, priced at 3,290, 3,290, sari 11. Moving on to sari number 12, priced at 3,980, 3,980, sari number 12. Yeah, this is a Maheshwari cotton sari with embroidery, floral embroidery work on it. It's a very elegant sari. This is the machine embroidery work that is on the. It sort of starts from the pallu and then tapers down to the bottom of the sari. Both the sides of the borders are gold zari borders. Yeah, that's how the full sari looks. It's a lovely embroidered sari. That's the pallu, gold zari lined pallu. And that's the blouse, a plain green blouse with embroidery neck pattern and sleeves pattern. Sari number 12, priced at 3,980, 3,980. From here on out, we'll be starting our silk sari collection for this session, starting with sari number 13, priced at 6,980, 6,980, sari number 13. This is a lovely orange and a beautiful vibrant blue color combination. The full body has sort of the zari lines on it. That's on the full body. The borders are very thin, strip gold zari borders on violet, sort of a bluish violet base. And that's how the full sari looks. It's a very lovely color combination. It's a nice, elegant looking sari. That's the pallu. Nice vibrant blue base pallu with gold zari, peacock and floral motifs on it. And a plain blouse with those thin gold zari borders. Sari number 13, priced at 6980, 6980. Moving on to sari number 14, priced at 7980, 7980. Sari number 14. This is a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. So the body is a beautiful greenish golden tone. The borders are a beautiful orange, sunburnt orange color tone. The full body has gold zari woven motifs. The borders are gold zari woven borders. That's the pallu. Gold zari weaving and a plain blouse with borders. Sari number 14, priced at 7980, 7980. Alright, moving on to sari number 15, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 15. So the link will be posted in the comment section for your reference. It will be pinned for your reference. But please click on that link to buy after the session is over. So this is sari number 15, priced at 7980. This is a lovely orange and pink color combination. The full body is plain. The borders are gold zari borders on pink base. The bottom border is slightly bigger than the top border. This is also a pure Kanjivaram silk sari with tested zari. That's the pallu, a pink base pallu with gold zari weaving on the full pallu. And that's the pallu. That's the blouse, a pink base blouse with borders. Sari number 15, priced at 7980, 7980. 7980, sari number 15. We're moving on to sari number 16, priced at 7690, 7690, sari number 16. So this is sari number 16, priced at 7690, 7690, sari number 16. This might look like black in the video, but it's actually a nice dark blue color base and a nice pink color combination. The full body has small coin gold zari motifs. The borders are gold zari woven borders. That's the pallu, pink base pallu with gold zari weaving on the full pallu. Yeah, that's how the full pallu looks, and a plain pink color blouse with borders. That's the blouse. Sari number 16, priced at 7690, 7690. We're moving on to sari number 17, priced at 7980, 7980. Sari number 17. This is a lovely sea green. It's a very beautiful pastel color tone and nice onion pink base. Yeah, the full body has sort of a nice zari woven pattern on it. Both the sides of the borders are of the same width with zari weaving on both the sides. It's a very uniquely done sari. The zari weaving on the borders are quite exquisite too. Yeah, that's how the full sari looks. It's a very elegant pastel shade. That's the pallu, a nice onion pink colored pallu with zari weaving on the full pallu, and a plain blouse. That's the blouse with borders. Sari number 17, priced at 7980, 7980. Sari number 17. Moving on to sari number 18, priced at 7280, 7280. Sari number 18. This is a lovely green, a nice army green, sort of somewhere between olive green and army green and orange combination. The full body has gold zari motifs, small motifs, and the bottom portion has a beautifully done abstract gold zari motif as well. This is a borderless sari. That's the pallu, orange base pallu with gold zari weaving on the full pallu, and that's how the full pallu looks, and a plain orange color blouse. That's the blouse. Sari number 18, priced at 7280, 7280. Sari number 18. We're moving on to sari number 19, priced at 7680, 7680. Sari number 19. By the way, we've started off with our soft silk collection for the session. Sari number 19, priced at 7680, 7680. Sari number 19. This is a lovely grey and baby pink. A very nice, a lovely soothing color tone. The full body has alternative gold and silver zari mandala motifs on it. The borders are a beautiful baby pink tone. No zari in the borders. Yeah, that's how the full sari looks. It's a very elegant sari, quite exquisite too. That's the pallu, a pink base pallu with zari weaving on the full pallu. and a plain blouse with borders. That's the blouse. Sari number 19, priced at 7680, 7680, sari number 19. Alright, we're moving on to sari number 20, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 20. By the way, the sari that Monica is wearing is priced at 5480, 5480 is the price of the one that Monica is wearing. It is actually a patchwork, kalamkari patchwork on cotton sari. So this is sari number 20, priced at 7980. This is a lovely peacock blue with huge square motifs, zari woven motifs on the full body. The borders are very thin orange borders. That's the pallu, orange base pallu with gold zari weaving on the full pallu and a plain orange colored blouse. Sari number 20, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 20. Moving on to sari number 21, priced at 7680, 7680, sari number 21. This is a beautiful orange and a very lovely greenish color tone. So the full body has zari weaving on it. It's a nice vertically woven zari pattern, alternative patterns on the full sari. Sort of a nice diamond pattern and line patterns in zari work. Borders are thin borders. That's the pallu, a green base pallu with zari weaving on the full pallu. And a plain blouse. Alright, sari 21, priced at 7680, 7680, sari number 21. Moving on to sari number 22. Priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 22. This is also a lovely pure soft silk sari. So this has a beautiful retapet border at the bottom portion. Full body has zari woven lines on it, checkered lines. The top and the bottom portion has gold zari weaving. Both are on purple base. The body is a nice peacock greenish blue and a beautiful dual tone on the full body. Yeah, that's how the full sari looks with the border. That's the pallu, a nice purple base pallu with zari weaving on the full pallu. And a checkered blouse with borders. Sari 22, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 22. So that was sari 22, priced at 7980. Moving on to sari number 23, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 23. Yeah, this is a lovely traditional color combination, black and orange base, peachish orange. So the full sari is actually a borderless sari. The body has this beautiful, very abstractly woven, zari woven motifs on the full body. Yeah, that's how the full sari looks. It goes perfectly with the blouse that she is wearing. Yeah, that's the full sari. A black base sari, orange base pallu with zari woven motifs on the full pallu and a plain orange colored blouse. Sari number 24, sari number 23, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 23. Moving on to sari number 24. Moving on to sari number 24, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 24. Moving on to sari number 24, priced at 7980. Yeah, this is a lovely orange, a nice pastel orange and green color combination, a bottle green color tone. So the full body has, this is actually another color combination that was shown in of the previous sari. So the full body is it's a borderless sari, has a very uniquely done abstract motif. That's the pallu, green base pallu and a plain green colored contrast blouse. Sari 24, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 24. Moving on to sari number 25, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 25. By the way, the one that Monica is wearing is priced at 5480. This is a cotton sari with pen kalamkari patchwork on the full border. So moving on to sari number 25, priced at 7980, 7980, sari number 25. This is also a borderless sari, a beautiful black colored sari. So the body has a very unique zari woven motif. It's a copper zari and a bluish zari for motifs on the full body. It's a very nice zari color, and it is more accentuated on black base. That's the pallu, a pink base, a sort of a tomato pinkish base color tone. And that's the blouse, a plain blouse. Sari 25, priced at 7980, 7980. Moving on to sari number 26. Yeah, moving on to sari number 26, priced at 8280, 8280, sari number 26. This is a lovely purple color tone. A very unique color. It's actually a single tone. So the full body has alternative silver and gold zari woven elephant motifs. The borders are thin gold zari borders on both sides. And that's how the full sari looks. It's a very uniquely done sari. Very elegant color palette too. That's the pallu with gold and silver zari weaving on the full pallu. And alternative gold and silver zari motif blouse with borders. Sari 26, priced at 8280, 8280, sari number 26. Alright, moving on to sari number 27, priced at 8680, 8680, sari number 27. So people who like to buy these saris, the link for to order will be posted in the comment section. It will be pinned for your reference. But please click on it after the session is over. So this is sari 27, priced at 8680. This is a very beautiful green. It's actually a borderless sari. The full body has a very different big square zari woven, zari and thread woven motif, square motif on the full body. And that's the pallu, orange based pallu with gold zari weaving on the full pallu. And a plain orange colored blouse. Sari 27, priced at 8680, 8680, sari number 27. Alright, we're moving on to sari number 28, priced at 8680, 8680, sari number 28. Yeah, this is another color variation of the previous one. There's a lovely yellow, a nice bright yellow and green color combination. The full body has a very uniquely done square motif in zari and thread work. Actually a borderless sari. That's how the full sari looks. Yeah, that's the full sari. Sari 28, priced at 8680, 8680. So all photos of all these saris will be posted in the website for your reference and closer look. That's the pallu with zari weaving and a dual tone greenish yellow blouse. Sari 28, priced at 8680, 8680. Alright, moving on to sari number 29, priced at 9450, 9450, sari number 29. Sari number 29, priced at 9450, 9450, sari number 29. Yeah, this is a nice dual color tone on the body. It's sort of a nice pinkish orange and a bit of purple color tone as well. So the full body has small gold zari motifs, gold and silver zari motifs on them. The borders are purple borders. The bottom border has temple design and with a little bit of gold zari weaving. That's the pallu with zari weaving and a plain blouse, purplish blouse. Sari 29, priced at 9450, 9450. Moving on to sari number 30, priced at 8980, 8980, sari number 30. This is a lovely Gadwal silk cotton sari with embroidery Durga motif, face motif on the full body. So both the sides of the borders are temple design borders. It's a nice green colored sari with those face motifs embroidered on the full body. And that's the pallu, a blue base pallu with zari woven lines on it. This has no blouse. Sari number 30, priced at 8980, 8980. Alright, so the last sari for the session, the deal of the day sari. The actual price is 6980 and the deal price is 5480, 5480. This is a lovely pure kota silk sari. It's quite an elegant, very lightweight and very comfortable to wear. It has quite the flow. So sari 31, priced at 5480. The full body has patterns on them. The borders are pink borders on both the sides, plain borders. That's the pallu with a nice motif on the full pallu and a plain blouse with borders. Sari 31, priced at 5480, 5480, sari number 31. That's all for this session. The link is active. You can directly check and buy all the saris that we are showing in the live today from that link. The link has been posted in the comment section for your reference. Please click on it to look at all the sarees that we have shown in the live today. Alternatively, you can log on to our website shruzeternity.com. There is a separate menu called Live Sarees. Click on it to find Sunday Live, where you will be able to see all the sarees that we have shown in the live today. We have also resumed our video call, so you can book your appointments. You can send a WhatsApp message to us, and we'll be able to block calendars, and then we'll be able to do video calls for you. Please check our videos that we'll be uploading every day in the morning. Also look out for our live that will happen on Wednesday. So thank you. Happy shopping. Stay safe.
I think you have enjoyed today's video. So please stay tuned to our page and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more interesting videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye-bye.